Hey folks, in this video we are going to learn about the files and folder. Okay, so you see there are many things to do files and folder. I mean it's a daily task. I mean we need to create a file, to delete a file, copy file, move a file. You can say rename a file. Okay, we can play with the properties of file. So there are multiple things that we need to do with the files and folder. Okay, so in Mac we will learn the commands. Okay, and the keys how to work with the file and folders. Okay. So the first is to create a folder. In the Windows, we have a Control Shift N. Same here, instead of Control, we'll use a command. So to create a folder, just press Control Command N, and now you will get a folder. Okay, and you see, you can drag a folder like this. You can place it anywhere. Okay, just to superimpose like this also. In Windows, you can't superimpose, but here you can superimpose file and folder like this. Okay, but if you superimpose two folder, it will go inside it like this. See. Okay, so back to the previous folder, and you see in the Windows, to rename a folder we press F2, but here there is two options. The first, right click, rename, that's the boring one. Another, just select the folder, press return key, and you can rename it like a folder. Okay, so like this you can rename a folder and you can create a folder. To create a file, okay, like if you want to create a text file, just use the spotlight command space. Okay, write a text, and here now you can say, I mean, where you want a file. For example, I want a file in the basics of computer, and create a new document. Okay, then you can say hello, save. Okay, in this folder, and hello, save. Done. Now this is saved, and you see I just closed it, but intent is still active. Okay, just like we learned this thing in closing application. Okay, so you can see you can still open this text file. Okay, to completely close the application, press Command Q and remove it from the dock, just like drag and drop. Okay, now here what we have in the basis of computer, we have hello. Okay, so if you want to move this hello in the on the desktop, so what you do? There's a two option. The one is just drag and drop like this. Okay, it's like a move. You just move the file. Okay, like this. But if you want to copy a file, okay, this hello, then just press Command C, go here, press Command V. Now it will copy a file here. Okay, now you have one copy on the desktop, you have one copy on the download. Okay, now you want to delete this file, then just press Command delete. Okay, if you did it by mistake, just press Command Z to get it returned back. Okay, but if you press Command delete and again you press the Command Shift delete, that will it will clean the recycle bin, empty the recycle bin. Then if you press Command Z, the file will not come because it's now permanently deleted from your Mac. Okay, now we have file here. Now just make a copy of it, Command C, Command V. Okay, now we have a copy, you can see here. Okay, again there is another copy like this. Okay, the Mac will create a copy like this, like copy 2, copy 3, 4 like this. Okay, and you can superimpose a file like this, but it will not go inside the folder. But if you place it here, then it will go inside the folder. Okay, and how to move a file without a drag and drop? So press Command C, go to the location, press Option Command V. Okay, now it will move a file into that folder. Okay, and if you delete a file you want to recover without pressing Command Z, okay, open your recycle bin. You can drag a file like this. Okay, or you can do like this, right click, put back. Okay, that's how you can, I mean, revert your file. All right, so now we understand how to create a folder. Okay, how to copy file, move file, rename, delete, and recover. Okay, now we understand what is the concept of a locking a folder. So to lock a folder, just right click, get info. Okay, here you can see locked. So now if the folder is locked, if I will create a new folder, okay, so technically if I do it like this, it will create a folder inside it, but my folder is still here also. That means if you drag and drop, then your locked folder will be like a copy. It's not like the moved one. Okay, if you delete it from here, okay, it will ask you, you want to delete it because that's a locked one. I say continue. It will delete, but my original folder is still here. Okay, now you can unlock it like this. Or if you will not know, if you were not able to change this property or this property, that means the file or folder is locked from here. Then you have to unlock it. Click the lock. Okay, it will ask your password. Just press the password and okay. Now you are able to change the setting. Okay, you can do this. If you're not able to change the setting, just unlock it from here. Okay, now it's now if you do, then it will like a movable folder. It moved. Okay, so that's how we can do the lock folder. Okay, there is an open computer. I mean, if you open this finder, you will get on the download or desktop, whatever you set location. Okay, but if you go to the my computer, just press command shift and C. It will open your my computer location. Okay, it's like in the user Prince Kirk, and here you go again, same location. Or you can go it with the go. Okay, here you see computer home, wherever you want to go. Or if you have some location like volumes, you can go to the folder. Okay, here you can type any folder if you have, just like I have a folder. See, it shows untitled folder. Go here and it will go inside it. All right, and now learn how to go inside a folder and back of the folder. So basically, if you want to see the basic info of the folder, just press space key. Okay, if you want to see what inside the file, just press space key. You will get a glance of it. I mean you will not able to edit it, but you will see what's written in the file. Okay, same applicable for an image. If you click on an image like this, it will open an image. Okay, just press a space. Okay, and if you open a folder, just press command up key. Up key is basically to go back, down key is basically to go inside. Okay, so press down arrow with the command, you will go inside the folder. Press up arrow, you will go outside of the folder. Okay, same for file. If you press down, it will open the file. Okay, quit, command Q, same thing. Okay, so that's a kind of a window one. Okay, there is a no, but many people prefer this view. There is a view. So list view is basically, it will show you the list of the folder or file, like whatever in the desktop. When I click here, it will go what inside the untitled folder, then here like this. So if you want to move the file here, no, it's very much easy in with this layout. In the Mac, if you have a multiple files, you want to play with the no, files and folders, you want to see what's inside the folder. So it's a better view to get a better understanding, and you can place a file anywhere you want. Okay, it's like this. Okay, here you want to do like this, and it will go like this. Okay, there is another view also. If you want to see a file, you can do like this. There is a list, this view. Okay, but the most preferred view people use here is this view. Okay, and this thumbnail view. Okay, so that's two are the most important view. And if by mistake you will get this view, so you know how to go back your view. I mean your preferred view can show, like click on here or whatever the view you want. Okay, that's how you can do a preview. Okay, and yeah, so same for a rename a file. Again, just press a space. I mean the return key. It will allow you to rename a file. All right. So the same thing applicable on the files, whatever is application on the folder. For example, if you want to get an info, click get info, you will get the details. Okay, here you can lock a file. Okay, you will get a name, extension. Okay, you'll get like which program it will be open by default. I mean that's the default one. If you want to open it by notes, okay, change all, then it will change for all the extension of this extension of all the files notes. Okay, that's for the default one. Okay, so that's all what we have in files and folder in the Mac.